has to walk back to the pavilion.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
That is edged.
That's well left. Need not play those. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy.
And he helps himself to a 6. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly.
Missed that completely. Pacer introduced from the other end.
There is a fielder at cover.
Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for 6.
Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next?
That is a beautiful shot. It's a strong area. No ball called. Overstepping on the last one, and that will be a free hit.
Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming.
That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. He has left that one alone.
Great shot. He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land into the crowd.
It is showtime. Crowd going mad here.
Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is brilliant pickup and throw. Certainly saved an extra run.
Informed fast bowler into the attack now. Expect some serious chin music. Deep point in place.
Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Can he do it again?
He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Oh, that must have really hurt. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series.
Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
Straight up in the air, and that's a 6. Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
That has made some serious damage.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets.
Deep point in place.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. Oh, that was a seriously quick ball.
They should look at varying their pace a bit. It is getting too easy for the batsman. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The wicket has played out very well here with a little bit of help for the bowlers initially. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. They would definitely have a score in their minds. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide.
That's 6. He picked up the length very early.
Last ball of the innings coming up. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. That is excellent running between the wickets.